Guys, we're at the next part of Ratchet and Clank into the Nexus, and yes, we're about to save that parrot guy who's been gone for a bit. Return to the smuggler to collect the reward. Yeah, get that reward. Hey, yeah, I'm going my own way. Forget that parrot. Think I know my own way through these swamps. So, yeah, we're pretty much nearly done with this. You know? Or we could take forever.
Now there you are. You found my bird. Thank you, friend. Here's your reward. Now we can talk about your new cut. Oh, just a gosh darn second. That ain't no split. I do all the heavy lifting. 70-30.
Okay, so we're gonna try to find some of the other things, because we don't really have to get all the gargathon horns if we don't want to, so I'm not really gonna pay much attention to that now anyway, so yeah, you know, but ah man, I remember all the memories with this old LP, you know, flying in space and stuff, you know. Wait, that's Proxy. Playthrough's lying. You know what I mean to say is I've had a lot of really good memories with this game, you know, during the LP. Though I played the other games more, I will never forget this LP. Because it is special and sacred. Even though it's hard to get through. But hey, a lot of games are supposed to be hard to get through, right? Yes! So we almost are about to rescue somebody we know. I'm not gonna say who because that pretty much spoiled the fun about it.
Just 2 more keys and we're in business.
Yeah, boy! Oh darn. So, we're not gargathon hunting this time. We're just searching for the key things. Just so you guys can keep that in mind. Okay? Now, where are the last two at? Oh. Okay, well I know where that one is. And I'm kind of sure that the other one is in another type of hatch. I don't really know. This part might be really short, just so you guys know, because all we're going to do is really collect the last few of the things and then talk to the plumber. I have no idea why I collected it, but, yeah, whatever. Right? So, we're about to get the 5th one. Oh, yep.
Little gargathon, when you are done killing stuff, go clean your room.
Aw, darn it. Okay. One more try. Now let's do this. Yeah. I'm trying to... Oh, this mission. Darn. They made this one really hard. Because you really gotta go quick about this one. I'm never gonna get it at this rate. Okay. Last try. Oh. Well, I think I got an idea of how to get through here quicker now. Okay. See? The hoverboard rail. That'll help us get through a little bit quicker. Yes! Yes! Haha! Haha! Yeah.
Good work, partner. Now you come on by and let's palaver about opening this here vault.
But it says there's 6. Okay, whatever. Guess you didn't need all 6, I guess, but yep, this is gonna be the official end, so all memories of this beautiful game. I'll never forget you, Ratchet, going to the Nexus. Oh, like I said, not planning on collecting all of them, but whatever. I'll probably make like guides. That's probably the.
I wonder where that last key is. Oh, you mean this old little key right here? Tell you what, you track down the rest of those gargathon horns, and I'm gonna throw it in as a bonus.
Wait, what? Oh, yeah, we're not even close to done then. So basically, now we gotta track down the rest of the gargathon horns now. And oh, this isn't gonna be much of a cakewalk, I will say that. So yeah, I guess we do need to collect them. That friggin' smuggler! You know? But, I guess to be fair, this was optional, but hey. You know, why not, right? Plus, you guys want to find out what's in that vault, right? And I know I do. There's seriously nothing up here. Oh. Well, I see something here. There we go. A little bit of fuel we can get. Yes! I don't think there's any more. Oh, better look up here, though. No. There's nothing left in this area. I guess, but there's still a lot more, I know that. So, I'm not even close to done. Just to let you guys know. We're pretty far from over at this rate. So, yeah. This is probably one of my favorite levels in the games because you could basically, you know, do a lot of things out here. Oh. Look what we found. Huh. At least we got a few now. Now we're gonna get this guy. Yeah, really excited about Crystal's Wrath because they're making videos that are trying to say that like they're gonna the game's going out faster or something. I don't know. It's hard to explain exactly about it and stuff, you know? Well, we're just gonna get this last gargathon horn for now, and then we'll be done with this one little part, I guess. Well, I hope you guys like this part. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.